Guys, welcome back. Here with Garrett today. Garrett came down a couple days ago and he was wanting to trade that 62 for the Westie. But then he saw the 68 Camaro and he absolutely fell in love with it.
Couldn't say no.
And here we are. So we're trading the 68 Camaro for the 62 Bus. Both run and drive. Mine hasn't been started in probably 2 years, but that's what we're doing today. Garrett's taking this Camaro home. You got a, what'd you say you had? A 40, what'd you have for a motor?
It's a small block Chevy, but it's a 4-bolt main. It's a roller engine, airflow research heads.
Nice.
It did 436 on the dyno.
Woo.
So this car is going to need frame connectors. It might do a burnout or two.
I'm sure it will.
But being an 80s kid, I just have to have it.
He had to have it. He did try. I said no. He said, "Is this for sale?" And I said no. And then he ended up passing on the Westie. He did take home Java. This is a solid, very solid bus. Ice picks last year on the ice picks. Last year, the smaller window. Well, we'll go over this thing. He's got a long drive back. I just wanted to show you guys the new addition. A runner. I don't have to push it. Did you have any fun?
Although it is fun pushing it.
He's helped me push a few cars. Well, let's take this thing on its first drive. I haven't even sat in it yet. What do you say? I do love the ice picks. Gonna have to get rid of that newer radio. I got a radio to put in this. First drive in the Splitty. Oh, not bad. Just so you know, there are two things I strongly dislike, and that's leaves and tolls. Oh, the brakes. Brakes work, that's good. Oh, that's Jen. That is Jen. She always calls. Jen, as I drive into the telephone pole. Hi.
What took you so long?
Well, I'm shooting a video.
You're in your seat slow.
First drive on the bus. I'll call you. I'll call you back. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Wouldn't be my vehicle if there wasn't a chip in a windshield. Usually it's right here though. Wow, these are slow. Definitely need one of those. Front end's not too bad. Definitely got to get rid of the windshield wipers. I'm used to driving the back roads like in third on a bug. So the foliage is gone. Big old house, look at that tree. Yeah, glasses. I'm legally not allowed to drive without glasses. I've been driving that way for decades. First driving impression, it's really slow. Brakes work, steering's not horrific. An old lady just passed me in a Buick shaking her head. Like a really old lady, like 85. Usually they give you the thumbs up. Really short years. I don't want to run into that. Yeah, so we'll talk about the gearing when we get back to the shop, because we got to do something. This thing is like undrivable. I mean, it probably drives great if we got 18 people in it. We got seating for how many? I probably should have checked the gas before I just ventured out. We have no gas gauge. It drives, stops, steering's decent. Oh, this is the main road. I don't want to go on the main road. I mean, this isn't bad. This is a main road. Good thing is it pulls third gear up these hills nice. It's loud and proud. All right, we made it back. So initial drive impression, it's loud. There's not a lot of, there's no carpet in it. It's more like sounds more like a panel van. Steering's not terrible. Brakes stop, shifts well. Has no top end. It's got 14-inch tires on it, so will the 15s, some taller tires, help us there going with getting a little more top end out of this thing? I hope so. I'd like third just to pull a little longer in the back roads than having to go right to fourth. Definitely couldn't drive this on the highway. Let's take a look at the engine though. Cool old sticker. See, we don't have the hinge. So a few things we need to address. As you can see, we have no engine seal on the sides, and the more obvious problem, we have all this heat coming through and turning this compartment into a coffin. Oh, and look at that, everyone's favorite, right over the dizzy. I will reroute that. But a solid bus. Definitely can't drive it much though with that heat getting up into this. No, we do have vents. I didn't think about that. That does help. Those vents do let some air get out. What do we got? Made in Spain. Is it a big old 2-barrel Weber? So it's just a basic white 11 window. I ran the M codes. Nothing crazy. It has a nice look in the front. I do dig it. I do dig it. Looks like we have some velvet green doors. 2 pop outs in the back. Must have had an antenna there, possibly. I don't know why they installed that. There was a lot of money invested in this bus. We got a little whiskey dent there, another whiskey dent, repop roof rack. And we did get the middle seat. Coat hook. Those vents are neat. I don't know if that's an option. Some miscellaneous stuff. We got a new Speedo, which is cool. So if you remember, I traded my 56 single cab and a 55 oval for that Camaro. And my thought with the Camaro was Josh and I would work on it. We could grind some of the welds down, you know, fix it up. He never had any interest in it. The good news is Garrett's son, who hasn't had any interest, Garrett has a nice garage, little lift, has shown interest in working on the Camaro. So that's a huge, that makes me happy. Finding homes for cars, like I said, Garrett took home the Java. He'll get that on the road. Hopefully we'll see that Camaro and his son working on it. That'd be awesome as well. So that's it. I dig it. Makes a good pair with the 67 Westie. Garrett fell in love with the Camaro. What can I say? Finding homes for some of these cars. I am thinning out the herd. Let's go. We'll take a quick peek at what's inside. Some of you are curious. Let's go take a look. So right off the bat, our 58 barn find from Vermont. We're gonna do a first drive on this. Gotta do the, I got a few things to do with the engine. Our 67 Westie, 55 oval, K3500. This is the one that had that lifter noise. Well, we found out what it was. It's got a broken push rod. Hopefully that didn't wipe out the cam. My 70 Charger. I don't even know what year this is, 65 or 66 Monza. 110 horse. It is a standard though, so it is a fun car to drive. Got to get rid of those gold wheels though. 2110 dune buggy. Oh, and that car, yeah. My 65 GTO. We got the 66 sunroof sea blue. Love this car, that one's staying. We got some 58s back here. 58 Agave, that came out of a New Hampshire barn. The L&J car, I call it. Whenever Larry was rubbing his hands on that, you know, it's missing like the lower 6 inches. I could help you button this up in a weekend. Well, he did. Thank you, Larry. 58, this one I sold to Dubworks. This is a Euro car. And this is a 63 ruby red ragtop. This is Larry's IROC. I've got the 67 Zenith Blue convertible. And this is the Dubworks corner. Is 914, and he bought the oval, 56 oval from me. You guys might remember that car. This is a friend's car. They smashed the windows, and I don't even know what else they did to it, but we got it inside anyway. I got a window to replace it. We got to get that done. We got this one running, if you remember, did a first start on that. We've got the 62 double cab Dubworks and I pulled out. And then that is, what is this, a 59? Yeah. 59 single cab that Josh and Jen, we went to West Virginia? I think it was West Virginia. So that's it. That's what's in the shop. And I've got, I don't know, I got 2 V65 Magnas. I had one in college. I actually worked with Jay Gleason, rest in peace, brother, down in Fort Myers. I was telling a V65 Magna story, and Richie told me, you know, Jay Gleason works here. I didn't even know who Jay was at the time. Jay set the world record quarter mile. He's in the Honda commercial piloting the V65. That's an awesome commercial. So, do like my V65s. So that's it. I'm gonna get back to pushing cars around, and then I'm gonna go leaf blow and try to get rid of all these leaves. They drive me absolutely crazy. It's a tough call, tolls and leaves. they're like 1-2 on the making me nuts list. So thank you guys for checking out the trade. Let me know what you think. Good trade, bad trade. I think we're both happy. I'm happy to see the Camaro find a home, get driven. His son's excited to work on it, so that makes me absolutely ecstatic. So thank you guys again for dropping in. You guys make it a great week. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys.